Subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. Chicken Donne Biryani. Heat a pan. Add a small piece of nutmeg. Add 2 Marathi Moggu or Kapok buds. Add 2 to 3 inch of cinnamon bark. Add 3 cardamom. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Caraway seeds, or you can add Shahi Jeera. Roast for few minutes till get a pleasant aroma. Allow it to cool. Add roasted spices to a jar. Grind it and make a fine powder. Keep aside. Take another jar. Add some mint leaves. Add half bunch of coriander leaves. Pour little water. Grind it and make a fine paste. Keep aside. Heat a thick bottom deep vessel. Pour 6 to 7 teaspoons of cooking oil. Add 2 inch of cinnamon bark. Add a star anise. Add 4 cloves. Add 3 cardamom. Add 2 mace petal. Add 3 bay leaf. Add some stone flour. Stir well. Add 1 tablespoon of cashew nut. Stir well. Add 2 long sliced onion. Fry till onion turns light brown in color. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 12 to 14 ground green chili paste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well. Add coriander leaves and mint leaves paste. Add 2 finely chopped tomato. Stir well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 500 gram of chicken pieces. Add 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1½ teaspoon of ground masala powder. Stir well. Close the lid. Cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. In between, stir occasionally. Now, add rinsed and 15 minutes soaked 500 gram of Jeera sambar rice. Mix well. Pour 3 glasses of hot water. Mix well again. Add salt to taste. Add 1 lemon juice. Add 1½ tablespoon of ghee. Stir well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Now place a skillet or tawa under the vessel so that biryani will not stick to the bottom of the vessel. Close the lid. Put a weight. Dum cook the biryani for about 20 to 25 minutes on low flame. Karnataka Bengaluru special recipe Chicken Donne Biryani is ready to serve. For more variety videos, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website www.rightclickcreations.com. Thank you.